What up, it's your boy Hove, and today we're going to be working on the Beetle. We're going to be doing some Decklid mods today. We're going to be swapping out the Decklid hinges. We're going to be installing some quick release pins. We're going to be installing the Blazecut fire suppressant system. Yeah, mainly this whole reason I'm doing this is because I don't have a prop rod that I could use on my car anymore, or the Decklid spring, because the engine and tranny is raised 1.5 inches, so now there's no room above the fan shroud. So we need to do some mods to finally get my Decklid holding itself up, and hopefully we're gonna have a quick release, so now I can take it off whenever I rebuild my engine soon. But I'll go ahead and show you guys the little issue I'm having. Alright, so this is the 1915cc motor on my Beetle. A lot of you guys probably never seen it. I don't ever show it. It's obviously dirty and old and needs to be redone, but we do need to replace these billet hinges today. These are some billet ones with speed holes on the side. If any of you guys want to buy them after I take them off, they will be for sale. Don't need them. There's nothing wrong with them. Obviously, they're holding on my Decklid right now, so they're perfectly good. But yeah, today we're going to be knocking out my pins to install the quick release. We're going to be cutting this wire to put the little connector right here so I can take off the Decklid. We're going to be installing the new fresh billet hardware. These ones are kind of weird. They're not the nicest looking ones. They are nice. They're an upgrade, but obviously I like the new setup that I got now. It's something I've had tucked away for a while, but I'm finally going to do it. And we're going to be installing the fire suppressant system up here on the Decklid. You guys are going to check out that little safety feature. And yeah, let me go ahead and show you guys all the new cool parts. Alright, so these are the Decklid hinges that my homie D'Angelo mailed me. Shout out to D'Angelo, the Volks Gallery on Instagram. I got this nice new billet hardware right here. We got these new square quick releases. Obviously, you knock out that pin that I was telling you on the Decklid, and you slide this through so you could take off the whole Decklid whenever you want. And yeah, this is the fire suppressant system by Blazecut. It's a really weird system. I've never seen it before until D'Angelo posted it. But I bought a white one off of D'Angelo. I didn't know that they had these little black ones right here. So this is gonna look a lot sick up against the black Decklid. I thought the white looked a little dinky compared to this black one that I didn't even know that existed. So my white one's for sale. I'm keeping this on the car. And yeah, we'll be installing all these new parts, and let's get to it. Alright, so first things first, to knock out these pins, I'm gonna just loosen them up, get them all looped up. I'm gonna be using this random stuff that I had laying around. I didn't have WD-40, but I probably need to go get some. But we'll let this soak in a little bit on the pin. I don't really care where it gets. My engine's not that nice. I'm not gonna start it today. I don't really care about this yet. It's not nice and clean to take care of. We're gonna let that sit and push these pins out. Alright, so in order to get these pins out, you need a 3/16 punch and a hammer. You want to hit these pins from inside out, hitting them towards your fenders. That's the way to knock these pins out. I already got started with this one. You see the pins coming out. I'm gonna skip showing you guys how they come out, but you get the idea. Okay, so one last thing before you completely knock these pins out, you want to make sure you want to cut this wire. If not, your Decklid's gonna stay connected when you punch this out. If you're by yourself, you're gonna be kind of screwed. Your Decklid's gonna fall and still be attached. You're gonna try to walk away with your Decklid and you're gonna be stuck. So make sure to cut the license plate light wire, and yeah, make sure you do that, and then remove the Decklid. Okay, now that I have the Decklid off, what I'm gonna do next is drill out these holes, because these new pins for the quick release are a lot thicker than the original holes. So I do need to drill out at least half of this. The idea is to have this side a lot tighter than this side so you can still keep the pin nice and snug in there. So now I'm gonna drill this little side out. The way these work is these are where the factory pin to the deck lid. So now this is the new pin, a removable pin. So now I need to drill out this side because this pin's a lot thicker than the factory side. So I need to use a 1/4 inch drill bit and drill out this half. And the idea is to leave this side not drilled and this side drilled to keep it nice and snug in here, and hopefully put the clip over the end with the deck lid attached. And yeah, that's gonna be the next step. Okay, I just finished drilling out these hinges with the 1/4 inch drill. I did have to go all the way through to this side. I thought I was gonna leaving this side tight would work, but drilling it all the way through still kept it super tight. As you see, it's not that easy to pull them off. I'm not lefty, so I gotta switch hands. Obviously, it takes some wiggling to get it off. It's a nice tight pin. I'm gonna slap the deck lid back on and connect this wire, and hopefully everything will line up and we'll be good to go with the quick release deck lid. Okay, so I went ahead and installed the quick release pins. Got these nice and snug in there. I got the wiring situated for the license plate light. Now it's removable with this connector. And I started installing the Blazecut fire suppressant system. It's a cool system where if the car ever goes into flames, this plastic tubing will melt and shoot the suppressant chemical all over the engine, protecting the car from burning down. It's just an added safety feature compared to the fire extinguisher I have inside the car, and yeah, I just added a couple holes. I got 2 along the sides and then 2 on the base. I just need to add 1 more zip tie to get this thing all zip tied up, and I obviously have the one up top. These ones are to these factory little holes in these little dimple dies holes in the structure of the deck lid. But other than that, when we get this Blazecut up, and then I'll probably leave the deck lid hinges up tomorrow just because it is a pain in the ass to adjust the whole deck lid. So I do want to have a little bit more daylight for that before the sun goes down. So I will be leaving that up for another day. Good afternoon, everybody. This is what we have on a new day. It's my deck lid with the Blazecut fire suppressant system attached. It's the T200 model, the black limited edition supposedly. I don't know what's limited about it, but it looks good. We got the wire for the disconnect for my quick releases. This is the part that attaches to the quick release over on the body of the car. I'll go ahead and show you guys in the next clip. Okay, what's last for today is swapping out my hinges. I have these aftermarket ones you see with the speed holes. I'm gonna be swapping back to these original ones. So then we're gonna be doing that. I'm gonna go ahead and skip ahead because these are Allen key bolts. I don't really like these take forever to undo, so I'm gonna just go ahead and skip ahead with the new hinges. Yeah, just have to do that and align the deck lid, and this whole little conversion should be done with the suppressant system and the quick releases, and then swapping back to the original hinges. Hello everybody, my mic kind of cut off right here at the end on this last little clip, but to sum it all up, I was just pointing out all the things that we swapped in. The original hinges, the deck lid prop rod, it's all nice and tight. We got the fire suppressant system in. We got the deck lid hinges down below with the quick releases. Everything's nice and new. Yeah, pretty much it. Thank you for taking time out of your day to watch this video, and sorry for the little mix-ups. My videos came out with like slow motion, so I had to speed them up and slow them down to make it even sound right, or at least kind of decent for me to even put it out, because I wasn't gonna put it out to begin with. But thank you for everything, and peace.